Every bottle of juice begins its story in fertile orchards, where fruits mature under sunlight and seasonal rains.
Harvesting requires precision and timing. Fruits must be picked at the ideal stage of ripeness to guarantee the best.
In larger farms, automated harvesters accelerate the collection process. These machines gather fruit efficiently in inches. Initial sorting begins right at the farm. Middle Eastern workers remove visible damaged or unripe fruits. The harvested wheat travels to grain mills, where it will be refined into flour. This marks the first major transition.
Once harvested, fruits are immediately loaded into temperature-controlled trucks. Cooling slows down ripening and
large mills convert wheat kernels into fine, food-grade flour. These facilities operate continuously to support.
transport logistics are designed to minimize travel time. Maintaining freshness is crucial since the natural sugars and
powerful roller mills crush and separate the grain into flour, bran, and germ. The resulting flour is
At the factory, large batches of fruit are received around the clock. Each truckload undergoes documentation and
fruit crates are unloaded and fed into receiving conveyors. Here, quality inspectors evaluate size.
The flour is packed and transported under hygienic conditions. Controlling exposure prevents moisture absorption. This large-scale biscuit factory handles enormous volumes of ingredients every day. Automated workflow.
Trained inspectors look for bruising, mold, or irregularities. These manual checks ensure that only high-quality ingredients are carefully stored in sealed silos to maintain purity. These storage systems eliminate contact with
Fruits may be stored briefly to stabilize temperature before washing. These chilled rooms prevent further ripening. The first step in processing is thorough washing. Fruits are flooded with high-pressure water jets to remove soil, dust.
Soft brushes clean every contour of the fruit. This prevents contaminants from entering the juice during extraction. Proper surface cleaning is critical for food safety.
Sugar contributes both sweetness and structure. Its grain size affect how the dough spreads and bakes. Consistent quality is crucial for predictable results.
Bubble washing uses aeration to dislodge fine dirt from delicate fruit skins. The gentle agitation prevents damage.
Fats provide tenderness and enrich the flavor. They must be at specific temperatures before blending. Proper fat distribution.
Sanitizing sprays eliminate microbes and bacteria. This step guarantees hygienic conditions before processing.
minor ingredients like salt, baking soda, and flavor extracts are added in precise micro-measurements.
These massive mixers combine all ingredients into a cohesive dough. Time, speed, and temperature are carefully controlled.
After cleaning, fruits advance to grading. Here, machines classify them based on size and quality. Consistent grading.
The kneading action builds the dough's structure. This process affects gluten development and overall texture.
Advanced optical sensors detect subtle variations in fruit quality. These measurements help categorize fruits.
The dough develops elasticity and uniformity through continuous kneading. A balanced dough leads to consistent
Sorting conveyors channel fruits towards specific processing lines. This step prepares them.
Automation ensures quick removal of unsuitable fruits. Robots work faster and with greater accuracy than manual technicians.
Peeling machines remove skins in seconds using blades or abrasion technology. Removing the peel improves cutting increases the surface area for better extraction. Uniform slices ensure efficient juice release. Precision tools minimize waste during this process.
Cut fruit enters pulping machines, where rotating blades break them down. This creates a thick puree containing pulp.
Hydraulic presses apply controlled pressure to extract juice from pulp. The force is strong enough to release liquid.
Filtered juice separates from seeds, skins, and fibrous materials. This initial filtration improves clarity. Centrifugation separates remaining solids using rotational force. The juice becomes smoother and more refined. Separated pulp is collected for secondary uses.
Factories optimize every part of the fruit to minimize waste.
Carbon filtration removes off flavors and unwanted organic compounds. This enhances taste and improves the juice's natural color.
Their gouges. Microfiltration eliminates microscopic particles that survive at earlier stages. This results in a clean, fresh.
The clarified juice is collected in sanitized tanks. These tanks maintain stable temperature to protect flavor and freshness.
Blending systems ensure consistent flavor profiles across batches. Sugar levels and acidity are adjusted according to the product.
Mixing tanks gently homogenize all ingredients into a smooth beverage. The swirling motion distributes flavors evenly.
Singles. Pasteurization gently heats the juice to eliminate harmful microorganisms. This process preserves freshness without.
Temperature control is critical during pasteurization. Even slight variations can affect taste or nutritional value.
TV. After heating, the juice is rapidly cooled to lock in flavor. Quick temperature reduction prevents overprocessing.
De-aeration removes trapped air bubbles that can lead to oxidation. Vacuum pressure extracts unwanted tainted gas.
Foreigners. Foam carries air that affects flavor, color, and texture. Removing it ensures a smooth, consistent beverage.
Once free of air, the juice is ready for its final purification stages. Every step up to this point ensures.
Sight glasses allow operators to observe clarity and flow. These visual checks confirm that filtration worked flawlessly.
The filling station operates with incredible speed and accuracy. It measures exact volumes for each bottle to maintain consistency.
Nozzle design minimizes turbulence during filling. Controlled flow protects the juice from oxygen exposure. This preserves freshness and taste.
Secondary packaging protects biscuit packs during shipping. Carton formers create strong boxes from flat cardboard sheets.
Laser sensors ensure each bottle is filled to the correct height. Any deviation triggers immediate correction.
Tape sealers secure the cartons for long-distance travel. Proper sealing prevents contamination and damage.
Caps are sorted and oriented automatically to match the filling speed. This synchronized process allows seamless.
Each cap is applied with precise torque to create an airtight seal. This protected the juice from contamination and prevents.
After packing, cartons travel to the palletizing zone. Here, automated robots arrange them into.
Robotic palletizers build uniform layers with unmatched accuracy. Consistency is crucial for safe transportation.
Stretch wrapping secures the entire pallet, preventing cartons from shifting. The film adds durability and protection.
Tamper-evident bands provide visible proof of product safety. Consumers can instantly identify whether a bottle has been opened.
Forklifts move completed pallets to designated storage areas.
Each pallet is scanned and registered into the inventory system. This ensures full traceability from production to delivery.
High-speed rollers apply labels without wrinkles or bubbles. Alignment must be perfect for retail presentation. Quality labels enhance shelf appeal.
Biscuit pallets rest in controlled environments that protect them from heat and humidity. Conditions must.
Barcodes ensure traceability from production to purchase. Accurate labeling enables efficient inventory.
Distribution begins at the loading bay, where delivery trucks arrive throughout the day. Every shipment is scheduled precisely.
Workers and machines coordinate seamlessly to load pallets efficiently. Proper placement ensures stability during transport.
Once the truck is fully loaded, the cargo doors are sealed for security. These seals confirm the shipment's integrity throughout the.
Bundles are placed into cartons for additional protection. Automated systems fold and create cartons rapidly.
Cartons are sealed to protect them from dust, moisture, and impact. Proper sealing ensures cartons stay intact.
Palletizers arrange cartons into stable, space-efficient stacks. Their precision allows maximum warehouse shipping.
Stretch wrap strengthens the pallet structure and prevents shifting. It protects cartons from dust and humidity.
Each pallet receives a unique identification label. This label supports inventory tracking and shipment routing.
Forklifts move completed pallets into climate-controlled storage zones. Temperature regulation preserves bottle integrity and flavor.
Scanners synchronize physical movement with digital systems. Real-time updates prevent mistakes and shortages.
The warehouse acts as a temporary home for the finished juice. Organized aisles allow quick retrieval for outgoing orders. Once orders arrive, pallets are selected and prepared for dispatch. Logistics teams coordinate shipping schedules to meet. Hydraulic platforms align truck beds with the warehouse floor. This ensures smooth and safe loading. Proper alignment prevents cargo damage during entry.
Straps lock the pallets in place to prevent movement during travel. Stability inside the truck reduces product damage.
Once fully loaded and secured, the doors are sealed. These seals prevent tampering and preserve product integrity.
The juice begins its journey to supermarkets, wholesalers, and retailers. A vast logistics network ensures timely. Retail centers receive shipments at scheduled intervals. These deliveries keep store shelves stocked with fresh juice.
Products are arranged neatly to highlight branding and freshness. Attractive presentation influences customer choice.
A simple choice in the store aisle represents the final link in a long chain of production. Behind each bottle lies a sophisticated